Okay, here we have arguably the most important part of our writing assignment in social studies for 6th grade. This is a CEER organizer. We are going to use these organizers all year long to answer many, many questions. It is important that you take the lessons we have learned so far this year and you apply them to this writing organizer. If you do not, when you move the assignment over to the answer box, it will be wrong. So let us begin by first identifying how we answer one of these. First, we have a question at the top. Here is our guiding question. Your claim needs to answer this question. You are going to take the question and turn the question around. I'm going to say, yes, social classes are a good thing, period. I've completed my claim. Next, I move to my explanation. I will choose one of these sentence starters. I will delete the rest. I want to pick, I chose this answer because. And then I'm going to write in, I chose this answer because blah, 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 blah. I'm going to give my reasons. In my own words, that is the most important part. This is not where you copy the text. The explanation is you explaining your thoughts to your reader. Once that is complete, you move on to your evidence. Your evidence must be copied from the text. So what you want to do is you want to delete this part and you want to find something in the text and quite literally copy it. So I will take this line. It doesn't mean anything, but we're going to make a point. And I'm going to write out quote, Control V, and I'm going to close my quote. A quote at the beginning and a quote at the end. Of course, I put it in the wrong box. We'll put it down here where it belongs. Quote, quote. Next, this is new and this is important. And we will work through this all year and you will not perfect it until 7th grade. But it is important to work at it constantly. First, you need to identify what your quote means to your claim. So I'm going to say, this quote means bureaucrats were able to help the king do his job better. If the king is able to do his job better, then the other social classes are making life in Mesopotamia easy. Period. Then I go down and it says, this quote proves that social classes are a good thing because bureaucrats help the king. Once this is complete, you have it checked over by your teacher, and then you are allowed to move each part over to the actual answer box. I want this process to be slow. I want this process to be methodical, and I want it to be repeated throughout the year. You will always turn the question around in a claim. You will always put the text in your own words in the explanation. You will always copy evidence from the text. Do not make it up on your own. You will always explain what the quote means and then explain what the quote proves. The quote should prove your claim because. This quote proves social classes are a good thing because, and then finish the sentence. I want to be very clear on this because if you get this down, you will have an A for the rest of the year. Good luck, and I will see you in class.